coming. Mississippi. About to hit this tree. Yep. Kayaking. Fishing, really. Doing the great things. Boop. The right lures.
Yeah, man. But I think you might have some luck. I mean, if you want it, kayak through it. Look, check it out. See for yourself, man. It's got rocks. It's got grass. It's deep. It's like fucking end shade. It's like all the ideal conditions for where they want to be right now.
Yeah. I'm about to hit this rock. Oh, shit.
Hey, man. Don't hit the rock.
Oh, it didn't hit it. That was a close one. Woo!
Something you need to know about me, Joe Rogan. I hit rock.